In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage contact lists in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot account and head to your main dashboard. Once you're in, open the CRM area so you can access your contact management tools. From there, go to Segments, also called Lists in some HubSpot views. This is where you'll build targeted groups of contacts based on specific conditions. Now click Create Segment to begin. When prompted, select Contacts, since this list will be based on contact records. Then click Next to move into the Setup area. At this stage, you'll start defining who should be included in your list. Click Add Filter, then choose the contact properties or behaviors you want to use as your criteria. For example, you might segment contacts by lifecycle stage, location, form submissions, or marketing activity. As you define the contact criteria, be as intentional as possible so your list stays useful and accurate. After that, review the segment filters carefully to make sure the logic matches your goal. Before moving on, test the segment matches. This is an important step because it helps you confirm that the right contacts are being pulled in. If the results look correct, click Next. Now enter a clear segment name. Try to use a name that makes the list easy to recognize later, especially if multiple people work in the CRM. Next, choose whether the segment should be active or static. An active list updates automatically as contacts meet or stop meeting the criteria, while a static list captures contacts at a fixed point in time. If needed, add a description to give more context about the purpose of the list. Then select the segment location so it's organized properly within your account. Take a moment to review the segment settings before you finish. Once everything looks good, click Save and Process Segment. HubSpot will begin generating the list, so wait for the segment to process. Depending on the size of your database and the complexity of your filters, this may take a little time. When processing is complete, review the contact list members to verify the final results. You can also open the segment details to inspect how the list is configured. If something needs adjustment, edit the filters as needed or update the segment settings if necessary. After making changes, save them so the list stays current. From there, monitor contact membership changes over time, especially if you chose an active list. This helps you understand how contacts are entering or leaving the segment. Finally, manage the contact list as part of your ongoing CRM workflow, whether that means using it for marketing, reporting, or internal organization. Thanks for watching.